Hello, this is Farhad and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create these types of text decoration with gradient color. So let's get in. I'm going in my page editor inside of my ClickFunnels landing page. I'm going to take a new section. I'm going to take a custom HTML and JavaScript section. Remember that we can't use this heading and subheading or paragraph section for these types of text decoration. All time we need to take these types of custom JavaScript section because heading and subheading section ClickFunnels have default designing, so that will be a bit difficult for this section. These types of text decoration. So we need to edit this section with our HTML code. I have HTML code and let's make it a bit bigger. Sorry, let's take another section. Okay, I'm going to take this section inside of JavaScript and HTML section. I'm going to change the gradient to text. There is a two class gradient. Let's make it heading. Grad, and heading, and the text. So we have our HTML code ready inside there, and we need to send the CSS JavaScript. I already set up this CSS code, and I will share this my code pen account in this video description, so that easily you can copy and paste it in your ClickFunnels. There I can see there is body and other section, but we need to copy from here. Just copy from this section and paste it here. We need to take a two version because we have a text and we have a heading section. So for text section, we need to make it only 20 pixel, and we need to change the color to 000. 00 is the black color and this is the white color. So let's see how it look like. So you can see this is the title changed with this color, and this one was changed with black and white. So this text also changed in this section. So this way you can change any heading or any text inside of your ClickFunnels account. Uh, so let's see in the next video.